Hello, in today's creative challenge that I'm giving myself during this lockdown period, which is obviously very strange, I'm hoping to create something every day that is creative and perhaps helpful and inspiring or just makes you laugh. And today I thought I'd use my drone to check on some neighbours. Not that you need a drone to check on some neighbours, so I do hope that we are all checking on our neighbours, not just with a drone, but I thought it would be fun. And so here we go. Let's see, go and see some neighbours. And enjoy my cherry tree. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I hope I'm not disturbing the bees. And around we go. I think I've got some neighbours this way. Yes, let's go and see these neighbours. Okay, and where are we going? So, and off to see some neighbours maybe over here. Why not? Okay, let's go. And I would also like to go and see these neighbours. So I hope you enjoyed that little video. Obviously you don't need a drone to go and check on your neighbours, and obviously you probably don't need me to remind you to go and see your neighbours, but it was just a way of showing you where I live as well. So if you do have a drone, do make sure that the people know that you are going to be filming them. All the people featured in this video, of course, knew that I was going to come across and film them. So they were all prepped and ready to be outside in the sunshine waving. So do make sure that you follow the rules for using a drone. And on that note, I'm going to show you, as the sun is setting here today, I'm going to show you the view from my house from a different angle. So enjoy, and thanks for watching.